What is it? I said, what is it?
Nothing, sir. It's just that some people gave us a message to give to Nena and the nigger.
Oh, yeah. Give them the message and go back to their rooms fast.
Thank you, sir. Nena and the nigger, 2 boys are waiting for you outside. They said that you should hurry up and meet them. That the hotel room they paid for will soon expire.
What?
It's not true.
They said you should come straight to Kasara Hotel. Yes. Not the rooms you people have been using with them before, but the new one you used last week.
Hey! Shut up! Leave me out of this!
Chidinma and Chidebere Aneke, popularly known as the Aneke twins, are identical twins in Nollywood. The Aneke twins have striking resemblance that will mesmerize anyone. The details of their private lives are of interest to many Nigerians and other fans from other countries. Hence, I present to you the biography fact of the Aneke twins. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi. EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Their early life. Chidinma and Chidebere were born on 6th August 1986 in Enugu State, the southeastern part of Nigeria, into a polygamous home of 3 wives, and they are the last issue to the Aneke family. They had a wealthy father who ensured a wealthy upkeep for them. They lived in a huge house and their dad spoiled them with beautiful things. But things changed when they lost their dad and his properties were divided among extended members of the family. The Aneke twins said in an interview that after their father's death, life became difficult for them because they had to support themselves and live on their own. They did all kinds of hard works to feed themselves. Also, they have an interesting history which has to do with God and faith. Funding was a big problem for the Aneke sisters, but everything turned out perfectly great for them. They participated in a church program called WOFP, and during the special church program, they miraculously picked financial favor from a stranger in their church miracle basket, and they got lucky. A stranger made an incredible generous donation. The girls say they do not remember the exact amount, but the amount is around 5 million naira. Well, God definitely loved these twins. Their education. Chidinma and Chidebere acquired their first school leaving certificate and senior secondary certificate in Enugu State, the southeastern part of Nigeria. After completing their primary and secondary education, Chidinma and Chidebere proceeded to the University of Nsukka, where they graduated with bachelor's degree in mass communication and bachelor's degree in banking and finance, respectively. Chidebere did her NYSC in Osun State, while Chidinma did hers in Oyo State. Their career. Speaking on how they joined Nollywood, Chidebere says, "We were in church drama group and discovered that we had the talent for acting. Someday, somebody invited us, then we began to act, while still hawking our akra, bean cakes and bread and going to school. But after school, we would go to the movie industry for auditioning. We found out that we needed to know more about acting, so we went to school." The Aneke twins joined the Nollywood industry in 1999 and acted in their first movie, Ebuka, which happens to be their first movie. The movie Ebuka gave them an age in Nollywood. However, according to the Aneke twins, they were forced to take break from acting so that they could finish their studies in the university. And also, their mother insisted that they should stop and face their studies. Once they were done with school, the sisters went back to acting in 2003, acting in minor roles. In 2004, the Aneke twins rose to fame with a film titled Desperate Twins, which earned them the nomination of the most promising actress to watch at the African Magic Voice Award. They have acted in over 150 movies.
Where is he? I left him outside. I don't have any money to pay him. All my plans today failed. Is that why you're shaking? Eh? Why won't I shake? You don't need to bother yourself. We shall treat his case as usual. You know what I mean? Chill.
As producers, they have produced a lot of Nollywood movies such as Heart of Isako, Onoche, Broken Ambition, Adora, and many more.
Since we started working this happening for 2 days now, there's never been a day we sold up to 2,000 naira. What is it? To tell you the truth, I'm even tired of everything. We have a master's degree. For 4 years now, no job. Nanda was selling her, but not even anyone to patronize us. No patronage. So I'm even tired of this content.
Their philanthropy. The Enugu-born actresses cum producers also have a foundation known as Aneke Twins Foundation, an NGO that has brought soccer to many less privileged people. They also love celebrating their birthdays yearly with the needy. They did a major one on the 14th of February 2016 by hosting the disabled people in Enugu, and it was televised. In 2018, the foundation won the award for the most peaceful and helpful foundation at the NYCN Southeast Award. They have also received an award for their humanitarian drive at the Diamond Special Recognition Award held in London, United Kingdom.
The Institutional Windows Day. To all the windows all over the world. We love you all! God bless us! And we love you all too, and God bless you all.
Their net worth. The Aneke twins are one of the most influential and richest Nollywood actresses in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $700,000. Don't die in curiosity of how they make their money, because I'm going to break it down for you guys. The Aneke twins are one of the most paid Nollywood actresses, and they have acted in more than 150 movies. As movie producers, they have made huge money from producing a lot of Nigerian movies. They have a production company known as Aneke's Production, and they display their movies on Aneke Twins TV, which is also another source of revenue. Apart from acting and producing movies, the Aneke twins are involved greatly in the fashion industry. They have a clothing line known as A&Twins Design. Their most recent signature is the palazzo pant, which is also trending among Nigerian female celebrities. That's not all. The twins also have a hairline that fetched them millions of naira. Their awards. At the course of their career, the Aneke twins have won several awards, which includes the most promising actress in Nigeria, the African Magic Viewer Choice Award, and the best supporting actress at the African Movie Academy Awards. They have also received an award for their humanitarian drive at the Diamond Special Recognition held in London, United Kingdom. They also won the Goldface Award of Excellence in 2017 by the Nigerian Personality Awards. In 2014, they won Enugu Most Female Productive Achievers in 2014. They have also won the Nellas Hall of Fame Awards. They also won the Most Fashionable Twins of the Year by Coast City Fashion Week. Personal life. Chidinma and Chidebere Aneke are currently single, but in an interview they stated that they will be married together at the same day at the same date. Already many have been waiting for the day the wedding bells close for the twins. Proudly, however, they will tell you they are taking their time. According to the twins, a failed courtship is better than a failed marriage. Their assertion was based on the fact that their mother did not divorce their father. Until we lost our father, our mom was faithful to him. So we want to emulate her good virtues by having a successful marriage. The twins also have an older sister whose name is Favor. Favor is not an actress, and the media doesn't know much about what she does for a living. In early 2017, their sister Favor gave birth to twins. It's unbelievable, but well, there is a possibility to giving birth to twins being a member of the family where twins are previously born. The Aneke twins celebrated their sister and her beautiful gift in a wonderful event, and popular Nollywood actress Mercy Johnson said that she would like to give birth to twins too.
And success of this family.
My king, there is no tranquility in our land. Everything has fallen apart.
For my own mother, why does she hate me so much? Can't she love a child she bore for 9 months?
I am not your mother. You're just a child that came with my daughter's face.
Am I not your daughter?
No, you're not. You're a poison.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of Aneke twins movie do you like the most? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much, and God bless you.